Okay, good day. This is Chibuzo Agua, and you're welcome to the Infotech channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you briefly how I got my Binance advanced verification successful under 5 minutes. Yes, I was even amazed myself. The reason why I'm doing this video is because most people have been complaining or talking about the difficulty in getting their doing their to carry out the verification process on Binance, and how difficult it has been whenever they submitted the required documents, and at the end the Binance team, after scrutinizing maybe the application and the documents is submitted, at the end they will decline their the process, and it will result into a failed verification. So I'm going to show you the process, what I did and how I did it, and I just got an email. Let me show you. Let me show you the email. Yes, basically this email is from Binance, as you can see. Advanced verification successful. Congratulations, you passed the advanced verification. And all those other stories below. So that's the email. Now let me also show you. As you can see, the title of the email is from Binance, and it said advanced verification successful. Now let me also show you my SMS. Yes, I also got the congratulatory message from in my inbox. My SMS is coming up. As you can see, congratulations, you passed advanced verification. For an overview of your account limits, please visit the verification center to unlock more account features. The features have already been unlocked from the first view I show you. As you already know, if you're a Binance user, this is the app. It's one of the best crypto exchanges you find out there, and yes, I do use them. You know that they are basically three verification process, and each has its own features and limits. The first one is the basic, which is very quick and easy. Is when you're opening the app, you have to submit your number, email, and those little things, those little requirements will be verified immediately. And then the next stage is the intermediate. Most people are stuck in this stage. Most people are stuck in this stage. I'm coming. Most people are stuck in the intermediate stage of verification, and they want to go further to the advanced. You also have the advanced pro. At the moment, I just did my advanced. This is intermediate. This is the second stage. And also have the advanced. This is the one that I've been verified. You also have the advanced pro, which has its own feature, but later I will apply for that. And once I got verified, I'll also do a video on how that happened. So if you're new to this channel, like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Blog Infotech is a channel, and in this very channel we try to teach people tutorials we give tutorials, actually video tutorials, on how to make people carry out some certain functions which they find it difficult in doing. Yes, it's basically a channel that teaches on how to, if you go to through my previous videos, you see that I've covered lots of topics that makes life easier for people. So, and it's as a technology, as in it's centered on the technology niche, actually. Yes, we talk anything technology, information technology, and technology related. And also, bro, sometimes we do deviate once we want to give out news, but that is that. So like I said, in this video I'll be showing you how what I did and how I made it possible to be verified, or to get my Binance advanced verification successful. It's even less than 5 minutes, but let me just say 5 minutes. So now let's go. Let me show you what I did. As you already know, though I'm already verified, so basically the things that are needed to before you apply is you either need to submit your bank statement. Either, if you prefer taking the pictures and you crop. But what I actually did was that I did make use of Guarantee Trust Bank. Yes, everybody know that. So I have to go log into my GT Bank app. I don't want to go to the app right now because there's some things I would like to conceal in this video. So once you go to your app, you can easily request for a bank statement from the GT World app. Once you request it, put the date limits maybe a week before now. Let's say what I did was actually a 1 week statement I requested for, and they sent it on it wasn't up to 2 minutes once they sent it. So what I now did was that, the statement is in PDF format. So all I did was to open it through my PDF file PDF file viewer. Then I just screenshot the PDF. I'm going to show you the screenshot. That's what I'm showing you. So this is a screenshot of my bank statements. Yes, all the bank that I carried out within the week, all what I did the transaction, my name, my address is this is my name. My name is Shirley here. Yes. Then also my address and all the bank information, and then if you could see there are approved stamps to each transaction, monthly transaction, which means it is actually authenticated from an officer in Guaranteed Trust Bank. So that's the reason why they have to go through this file and see the authenticacy, and that's why the approval was fast. So I took a screenshot, and whenever you want to like upload a file during the verification process, they'll either tell you that if you prefer snapping a photo, that is, you have to place the document maybe on the flat floor, then you snap a photo. You discover that that process is quite difficult. So after taking the screenshot, I choose the segment of uploading through my device, that is uploading a photo. Yes, I now go through my screenshot and upload it. And after uploading, I now click confirm. And I just and when I click confirm, they have to give a notification that the verification process is on, and it will elapse till 7 days. Yes, they actually gave me 7 days. Was it up to, since it's let me calculate, within 5 days or so, 5 business days. So I have to like say, oh, let me just pause and wait till next week. But to my surprise, before I should even drop my phone down, I got this congratulatory email first that wow, my advanced verification is successful. So that is how easy it is. So the main thing you should note whenever you want to apply, ensure that you have the right document. I have to skip something. Now let me rephrase. During the verification process, they will ask you to fill in your address. So ensure that the address you are filling in your Binance app equals that, or is exactly the same address you will find in your bank statement. Yes, I'm trying to open it. Let me see if I can zoom it enough for you to see. Like for the GT Bank, it's quite tiny, but the address, if you should see this top left corner where you have the information of the bank. Yes, okay, I've tried to zoom it out. The address is just there, so I have to make sure that this address is similar word to word. Yes, word to word. Make sure the address is similar to the one you fill in your Binance app before uploading, because that's the major thing. The people in charge will have to confirm if it is the same. So that is how easy it is. And once you're verified, once you've passed your advanced verification is successful, you see the features and the limits. And the deposit now is increased to $200,000 daily, and you can withdraw to $200,000 daily or to $2 million monthly. So those are just the features and the benefits you enjoy while upgrading. And also you understand that if you're just a basic, or if your verification process is stuck on basic or intermediate, it will be difficult for you to become a peer-to-peer merchant on Binance. So you have to like further verify and apply for further verification. So with that, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. I'll say we've come to the end of this very video. So all I will advise you to do is to follow the steps that I've outlaid. Yes, first of all, ensure that you request for your bank statement for your bank, because that's one of the documents that is needed. But if you have an utility bill, just like bank statement is one, they also request for utility bill, which consists of your electricity, your gas supply, your fiber optics internet, and what there are so many utility bills and more. So you have to upload it, but you also ensure that while uploading the documents, your address should also be there, and let the address be similar with the one you fill in on the Binance app. So, but I'll always advise you to go for your bank statement. If you can't get your bank statement electronically, that is through PDF, through your bank app, you can easily walk to your bank branch and tell them to give you a bank statement. Then also, once they give you the document, you can snap it with your phone, you can scan it and transfer to your device. But make sure that the words are clear enough for for the KYC customer care that will verify it to see the words and your name clearly before the verification. So we've come to the end of this video actually. So just carry it out. Once you try it out and you found that it works perfectly for you, all I'll ask for is to come back and comment on this video and say yes, it worked. And before you leave, I would also like you to hit the like button and also share, because one of your friends who makes use of the Binance exchange might be needing this. So share, like, and also carry it out and comment. If you're confused in any angle or you need my assistance, you can easily come to the comment box and drop your comment and see if it will work. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Blogging for Tech is the channel. Before you leave, hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release a video just like this, and also you'll be part of the family. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Take care.